Hello all, welcome to session 34 of Selectors Hub training series. In this session, I'm going to practically show you how Selectors Hub saves config in local machine. So let's get started. First of all, let's launch the Chrome browser where Selectors Hub is already installed. Now let's browse a sample application that is omea.blogspot.com. On the sample application page, right click anywhere and select the inspect option so that the dev tools will appear. Now let's move to the functionality of the SelectorsHub by selecting this SelectorsHub option. As you can see, SelectorsHub functionality is now displayed here. Now let me prove you how SelectorsHub saves config in local machine. What exactly this statement means? Saving config in local machine means whatever the setting changes or whatever the option changes you do in the SelectorsHub will remember them. Okay, either you restart the browser, you refresh the browser, all the setting changes and option changes will be remembered by saving in the local machine, guys, as you can see now. Okay, so here I am going to turn this off. Okay, this option I am turning off. Similarly, I'm going to change some options here. I will select the set attribute and uncheck this ID. Remaining all other options are checked. Okay. Now I'll select this one. I'll type something here. Say driver dot find element by dot. All these option changes and setting changes will be remembered by the SelectorsHub, guys. Okay. Will be remembered by the SelectorsHub. Even you restart the browser, the settings will be like this. Okay. Until you change, the settings will not change. Now, guys, this is fine. Now let me close this browser. Again, let me open the browser and go to some application. And again, let's go to the selectors of functionality by right clicking, inspecting, and going to the selectors of functionality. You see the settings are still there. Okay, you turn this off, it's still off. Okay, until you turn it off, it will be off only. These setting changes, option changes are remembered. You see, this ID is unchecked. This command is still there. Okay, until you clear, it will not go, guys. Okay, it will be saved. All the setting changes, option changes will be remembered by the SelectorsHub until the changes are done. Until you revoke them, they will be like that only, guys. This is what is meant by SelectorsHub saves config in local machine. So hope, guys, you understood this session. So that's it, guys. See you in the next video session. Thank you. Bye.